viewers, welcome back to Renka Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making this awesome drink which you can use to cleanse your system. This drink is so powerful, so effective in cleansing body system and also boosting your immune system. Stay tuned and watch me do this. Here I have spring onions. I'm going to be making use of these spring onions. This is normal lemon and ginger. You need a lot of ginger for this. It has to be a little bit peppery. And then I have garlic. Starting off with this preparation, I want to start by washing the ginger. I don't really need to remove the back of this ginger, so I'm just going to wash it off. You don't really need to bother removing the back of this garlic. Kindly wash it off like that. As I'm going to be repeating this washing, you need to wash it like 3 good times to make sure that you remove every germ or anything sand. I'm going to be slicing it in chop because they are all going to be boiled. The slicing of the ginger is also going to be in chop because I'm also going to boil out the nutrients. And then the remaining thing here is the garlic, so I'm also going to add it. We don't need to slice it. I'm going to be adding it in a clean pot. And here is the garlic. This cleanser drink is ready to be cooked, well cooked, or boiled to say. But what I need now is to add water. A reasonable amount of water is needed. So we have brought it to start boiling. Kindly cover and allow to boil for good 30 minutes. You actually need to time it. Make sure that it is boiled for 30 minutes. So it has cooked for exactly the 30 minutes we are talking about. I'm going to be bringing it out and allow it to get cold. You can see the color of this beautiful, awesome drink. It has boiled exactly the way we expected it to. I'll be sieving it out. this is it. So I'm going to be leaving it here so that it will be easy for me to warm it morning and evening. And the more I warm it, the more the ginger is getting soft, the more I'm also getting all the nutrients in the ingredients. So this is going to last for like 3 days. Then you can do new one. When you do that for 1 week, it is quite okay. This is all you're expected to drink first thing in the morning and in the evening, or in the night before you sleep. The first time you drink this juice, this precious juice, you are going to notice it from your urine. Your urine will turn to yellow. Your first urine will turn to yellow, and then the second one will also be yellowish, but not as the first one. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.